In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hubspot to WordPress in 2025, a complete tutorial designed specifically for beginners. This process will effortlessly integrate HubSpot's powerful marketing tools with your WordPress site, enhancing your digital marketing strategy. To get started, you'll first want to head over to HubSpot's official homepage. This is where the journey begins. You can easily find the homepage by entering hubspot.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to log into your HubSpot account. Look for the login button prominently displayed, usually at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, it's worth taking a moment to create one because HubSpot offers a suite of tools that can really boost your marketing efforts. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your command center from which you can access all the various tools and features that HubSpot offers. From here, you want to focus on integrating with WordPress. And to do that, your next stop is the Apps section. Look for the Apps option in the navigation menu and click on it. Once inside the Apps section, you'll see a plethora of options. What you're looking for here is HubSpot for WordPress. This app is specifically designed to seamlessly link your HubSpot and WordPress platforms together, providing a smooth flow of data between the two. Click on the HubSpot for WordPress to proceed. Now you're almost there. The final step is to install the app. Look for the Install App button and give it a click. This action will set the integration in motion, instantly connecting the tools of HubSpot with your WordPress site. Once the app is installed, you'll be able to leverage the full functionality of HubSpot's marketing tools directly within your WordPress dashboard, from tracking website visitors to engaging with potential leads more effectively. A few things to keep in mind during this process: make sure your WordPress site is updated to the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues, and double check that you have admin access to both HubSpot and WordPress to perform the integration. If you run into any issues along the way, HubSpot's extensive support documentation can be a helpful resource to guide you through any obstacles. And there you have it, you've successfully connected HubSpot to your WordPress site. This integration allows you to take full advantage of the robust marketing tools HubSpot offers, all while managing your content conveniently on WordPress. Thank you for tuning in today, and we hope this tutorial helps you on your journey to achieving digital marketing success.